Hi, students. Today we're going to talk about Bonaparte's interactive AI. You will have this a link for this website, and you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs. The first tab about, in general, what is that innovation and technology? Humanity passed three economic revolutions. The first one, the agriculture, began in Great Britain in the 17th century, 1650s, Industrial Revolution in the 1760s, also in Europe. And then we enter the third phase of revolution, economic revolution, which is a tech revolution. And we believe it started in the 90s. The tech revolution passed a few phases till we enter the 90s. We started with the PC, personal computer, internet, cloud and mobile, cloud, and AI, narrow, general, and super, different generation here. Before we go to each tab, how the technology, artificial intelligence, machine learning work, I just want to close with the Charles Darwin, when he said that the species that most survive, the species that survive all of this million years, are not the strongest, are not the fastest, or the smartest, but the most adaptable and innovative species. So that means innovation is very important. Here, we're going to start to teaching the AI technology and machine learning technology. We're going to start with the AI. There are three generations: narrow, general, and super. We're going to talk about the narrow. As all what you see today in ChatGPT and Alexa and other things, these are basically narrow generation of AI. Here's a game. You can do it with playing with the computer, which is a narrow AI here. You choose this, and you block here, then the ties, reset. If you do this, and then you do this. So you play a game and you reset that. That's basically narrow AI technology. General technology, general AI, which is when machines are the same as human. As of now, machines and ChatGPT are less than human intelligence. So this is, we are not there yet. And OpenAI, ChatGPT is not there yet. So we didn't have any interactive demo to show here. But what we can tell you is the super intelligence. If you watch a movie by Tom Cruise, Minority Report, when she asked him to take the umbrella because she see that the future, and then she saw that in the future it's going to be rain and he want to have the umbrella to hide from the cops, so they're not going to see him. That's a super intelligent artificial intelligence. Now we're going to go to the machine learning. There are three learning models: one, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement. Supervised learning that you do, and we're going to have example with political sensitivity. Well, you put your X and you put your Y's, and then you get the relationship between X and Y. For example, X can be VIX, and Y can be the stock market return. When VIX is up, the stock market return, or down, up or down, or anything. You can put, for example, let's delete this, and put, for example, X50, Y negative 23, add X13, Y is 44, for example, add. So then you're going to see the correlation, the R square, if you're on regression here, R correlation and the slope for this one. That we call it, all this econometrics model that we use and we exploit. These are, we call them as supervised learning, because we know the Y, we know the X. Unsupervised learning is, we know the X, but we didn't know the Y. So for example, when you go to Whole Food, and you buy on Monday this stuff, you buy on Monday, second Monday you buy this, and the third Monday you buy that, then the AI prediction for next Monday, they give you what's going to be your next Monday. Whole Food, no, this client is going to come next Monday and order this kind of stuff. So you can play here and add, for example, bread. You can add here beer, and this, you have another beer, bread, and more beer maybe. Then they're going to tell you what you're going to have in the next few. We got this twice here. Let's add apple maybe. So then the Whole Food has a system, has a key means, they call the technology, that then they know that the next Monday these are going to be the demand, and then the inventory will be adjusting to what they see in the receipt. We call this as unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning is a lot used by Tesla. Tesla use a lot of machine learning with reinforcement learning, which is when they drive auto-driving, autonomous driving. So this is a game that you play with it. So you want to start, you want to go to the end, and the reinforced learning try to find a different path where you can go from start to the end. You restart this game and they try to have a different path. So these are the three learning: supervised, unsupervised. Supervised, you know the X and the Y. Unsupervised, you know the X but not the Y. And reinforcement, which is you try to adapt to the environment. Like for example, in Tesla, when you would drive and somebody went across the street, so reinforced learning, it was not in a program. So, but they see somebody's passing or a deer passing, then the car automatically will stop. AI in finance, it's an application that I use to show how it's unsupervised learning actually, where we try to show that we use a different keyword in a Google trend, how that can move with the stock market return of the company. For example, if you have NVIDIA and you update, you get that NVIDIA AI score is 42. The highest, I think Microsoft is the highest. You can try that. Microsoft update. Their AI score is 52%. So we rank companies based on their sensitivity to AI technology, and we found that if you want to have here you have AMD and Apple, Meta, you can have also Facebook. So it's here, but Facebook is on the rise also. Another example of supervised learning is political sensitivity, where we find how the company return in our Y equal A plus beta risk premium, which is market return minus RF, plus DT, it's political cycle, 1 if Democrat, 0 otherwise. And you can put any company and you can see if it's biased by favored by Republican or favored by Democrat or neutral. For example, NVIDIA favored by Republican, Apple, AAPL, favored by Democrat, Meta, favored by Democrat, Tesla, Elon Musk, favored by Democrat. So you can see the political sensitivity, what type of companies are better off with what political system. Thank you so much. I think I did everything with the demo. Please give us a like in YouTube and some comment. Thank you so much.